Hello and welcome once again to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to repair a blocked capsule in the Dolce Gusto machines with only one hairdryer. But before showing you the actual process, let me explain why this happens. So in case you have a blocked Dolce Gusto machine and the capsule tray is not actually going out, this is because you have an old capsule that was sitting there for a long time. And let me explain. This is the diffuser plate that sits inside the machine. Yeah, this is out of rubber and sits on the actual capsule. With time, yeah, and with heat expanding and cold shrinking, the capsule and this rubber gets stuck together. So what you need to do in order to release this capsule tray is just apply heat. Heat will contract the plastic, contract the capsule itself, and it will unstick from this rubber material of the diffuser plate. Yeah. And now that you know why this happens, yeah, you just need to take a hairdryer, put it on heat, yeah, and apply heat in this capsule area or tray area until, yeah, you can remove it altogether. Yeah, in my case I don't have a hairdryer on hand here in my workshop, but you get the point. Just in this area, heat the area. Don't worry, you will not melt anything. The hairdryer doesn't have such an increased temperature to melt anything. So just apply heat, and eventually this tray will be released. Yeah, so this applies for almost all Dolce Gusto machines. So just try it and let me know in the comment section below if this helped. So thanks again for watching this video. I really hope this was helpful and quick for you to troubleshoot your machine. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of videos about coffee machines, bean to cup, and also a capsule machine from Nespresso, Dolce Gusto, Cafissimo, whatever. So again, take a look on my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.